What's up, you guys, and welcome to another hair tutorial. I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I wanted to do a talk through hair review slash tutorial. Today I am filming a wig collab video. Y'all know I normally do voiceovers, but I wanted to talk through this one. I wasn't even supposed to film this until next week sometime, but I had a kid-free couple of hours. Normally I do voiceovers because my children are somewhere in the house being loud, so it's just easier. But I wanted to talk through this one with y'all. I was really excited when I saw the pictures. The pictures for this wig were, oh my god, the curls just look so beautiful. So I wanted to see if that was the wig I was really gonna get, if those were the curls I would really get in real life, because this is what I saw online and this is what we have in real life. So first of all, let's go through the unboxing. I received the hair, of course, in a beautiful pink box. They did not hold back on the goodies. We got this beautiful bow that I'm probably gonna try to do a style with. That's all the rage right now. The girlies are loving the bows. We got a silk bag. We got another bag with a HD wig cap, which we won't be needing today because I'm about to do the most lazy, quick, glueless install. And I'm gonna tell y'all why in a second. And then we have an edge brush with the spatula side, which I love for wig installs. Some crocodile clips. I love when companies include that. And then we have our wig band, and I appreciate this one because it's thicker than most of them are, which is really good. As for the hair, this is how it looks straight out of the box. I did not want crunchy curls today. I wanted co-wash, lush. I wanted my curls to look like the curls on the video, the curls on the listing. So I was like, you know what, let me co-wash her and let it start drying under the dryer. I prepped the lace by spraying it down. I parted it. I put a wig cap on so that it would lay super flat, and I let it dry a little bit before I got to filming. Ideally, I should have co-washed it last night and let it air dry overnight, but we had to work with what we had. This is how it looks now, and the dryer curls did leave a little bit of frizz, but it's fine. We're gonna tweak it in a second. But like I said, I'm doing a super lazy install today. I want the option of being able to do a throw-on wig look. No braid down. This is just a quick, ready to go, gotta blast type hairstyle. It's getting warmer. Curly hair season is upon us, and I just want to give y'all an option that you can literally just throw on and go. So with that being said, let me get straight into my foundation. This is an old silk press. I went to the gym today, so we're gonna slick her back. I was just gonna do straight back, but because I'm not doing a ball cap, I do want to put my part over my actual part on my hair. Also, while I'm doing this, I do want to mention the cap construction was very minimal. There were no extra combs. There were no combs, in fact, on this wig. It's just a band. I don't love that. I usually like that comb, especially in the back, so that my hair has something to grip onto. But let's see how it's looking when it's on. I also do want to mention that the knots are not pre-bleached, which I feel like in 2025, that should be the minimum that companies are doing, is bleaching knots before the wigs are sent out. Because who has time to be 40 voluming and powdering and trying to watch your knots when you don't have to? Like, and I'm just gonna do 2 ponytails so that things can be even. And normally I would just braid it, but today I'm just gonna tuck them under. If your hair is thicker than mine is, or a lot longer, I don't know what to tell you. You may have to do a little more work, but this is all I have to offer for today. Straight down, flat, flat, middle part. Now I'm gonna put some makeup on the inside of my wig. Y'all know the drill. Per usual, I'm using my Ruby Kisses palette, and I'm just gonna apply it in a T-shaped motion because I am only going to be doing a middle part today. We have our band, and that's it. The curls are pretty. I like how they're drying. I like how they're looking. So let's put her on. So I'm placing that band underneath my buns. While I do feel cheated on my cap construction aspects and features, especially coming out of the last video I did where we had clips and bands and combs and all the nips and tricks, this lace is nice. It's thin. It's very thin. I do appreciate that because nobody wants no thick, cakey lace. The lace is so thin, it's hard to grab. I like that. I don't like that it's all one length, so I am going to add some face framing really quick. Way better. As far as the plucking goes, this is not super pre-plucked. If you like a super natural look, then you are gonna have to go in. So I'm gonna do that now because y'all see this hairline is thick. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress Y'all, if you don't know how to do work on your wig, this ain't it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I have to pluck in the middle because the black dots. And then this is a lot of lace, so I'm gonna cut a little bit off, and then I'm just gonna lay it down with some mousse, because with it being so thin, it is moving around a lot. And yes, this is glueless. Yes, it'll be like daily takeoff, but you don't need your lace just moving around all willy-nilly like that.
Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause, I love some music, but I just can't do it.
And then I'm gonna let that melt down with the edge band. So now I'm just gonna get the curls how I like them. From there we'll do baby hair and then styling, finishing touches. This unit is also really long. Well, pretty long. I haven't been wearing my hair super long lately, so it's long for what I've been doing. I think the wig game has me spoiled right now. Like, everything is coming in pre-bleach, pre-pluck, pre-everything, wear and go, and that's how it should be. But there are still some units that will have you working, and this is one of them. And like I told y'all, I really am not going for a super wet down look, but this is just a lot happening. The unit is very full, so I'm gonna go in with some leave-in, and then last resort will be water. I just want to calm it down some. I also did get a good bit of shedding whenever I was co-washing. This is what I got. Nothing too crazy, but being straight out of the box, it's enough. So I have the hair pulled up next to me, and I can say it's true to texture. This is 26 inches, and to get 26 inches on a unit for under $300 with this beautiful texture, that's a win. Also, I noticed that the lace looked different than what I am used to, and going back and looking at the listing, it's because it's transparent lace. I'm used to HD lace. This is transparent, but the density is 300. So when I say it is full, if you like full hair, you will love this. You like full hair, you know what to do as far as customizing your lace, then this is a great option. I did want to put a little bit of makeup into my parting space. All right, let's see if it's melted down enough for us to do some baby hairs and style, and it is. So this is all I'm gonna pull out, because y'all know I don't want to do too much. All right, we got this part straightened out. We are on our way. Also, I love how like the pulled back situation with the curly hair. So once I do that, that's how I'm gonna style it, especially so I can see how it looks with the bow. And then it's like, no matter how many new edge brushes I get, I just always go back to my old faithful one. This one right here that everybody has, she just gets the job done. Yeah, they really did their thing on the texture. This hair is super soft. The texture, I know I keep saying it, but the texture, that's the one thing that has me like, yeah, that and how thin the lace is. We'll go through all the pros and the cons in a second, but okay, I don't want to apply any more product to this hair because I'm really liking how the curls look in their natural state. Okay, and then I'm just gonna reposition. I know the girls like the wet look, but I'm just loving how it looks in its more natural state. And I love that I didn't have to clump them or anything. It's just how it dried down. This hair is so full. I did want to show y'all two main styles. So of course this is it all the way down. The bigger it gets, the more pictures I take. I'm loving this texture. Okay, let's go through the pros and the cons of this unit, this company, this experience, and then I will show y'all a few styles and we'll close the video on out. Cons, I don't like that the lace does not come pre-bleach or pre-plucked enough. I want a wig that I can throw on and have to do little to nothing to. Secondly, I did not like that the cap construction only had a band in it and nothing else. If you don't like clips and combs, then that won't be an issue for you. Also, you could always add it, but I just like when it comes in there and then it has the option to be taken away. And that's pretty much it for my cons. As for the pros, the lace being so thin, even with it being transparent lace, I love that. Like, it is melted down and I didn't use anything except mousse. I really enjoyed that. Also, as far as a pro, the texture. Can we get a standing ovation for the texture? Like, it doesn't give that crunchy ramen curl. It's a very beautiful curl. Also, the density. This wig is very, very, very full. I already told y'all it gets full. Like I can see this for a vacation. This is given, I'm on the water with it. What's up? Price point. This is a great price point for a unit. Usually units run a lot more. So I do think that the trade-off for the little bit of extra work that has to be done is way worth it for the texture that you get, one, because the curls are not coming like this. Like this honestly gives raw bundles feels. So I think it's worth the extra little bit of work if you're able to do it. Of course, I am able to do it. I know how to do it, so it's not a huge deal to me. But if you're a beginner, then this would not be the wig for you. If you know what to do with it and you want some fire curls, then this would be one of the ones. So let's style her up and then we're gonna close this video one out. This gives tea party brunch. What's up? I'm showing up very coquette. And then of course, if you're not into the bows, then you can just pull it back with a mini claw clip. And then of course, there's always, if you're going to the gym, if you are going on errands, you want to give cutesy soft tees, the claw clip will never fail you. And with the headband, you don't have to worry about that back coming up. It just gives flawless, not too much. Length from the front is here. That is all for this hair tutorial. Huge thank you to Zlike for sponsoring today's video. The hair link as well as all of the information for Zlike as well as any discount codes will be listed in the description box. And it won't be long before we're back with another hair tutorial. If this is your first time stopping by the Thread Life, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join the gang. We do hair tutorials, vlogs, all the good things, and you are gonna love it here. So go ahead and join. If you're already part of the set, I'll see y'all in the next video, the next vlog, the next tutorial, and it won't be long before I do. So I'll catch y'all in it. Later.